nights I stay up, casting in my bad boy. Some nights I go with a trough, but I still wake up. I still see your ghost for what I'm still not sure what I stand for. Ho, ho, ho. What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore. Ho, oh, ho, oh, ho, ho. This is for what I'm waiting for. Hi, Gucci. This is my puppy, Gucci. I'm going to show you Max. Max is looking at my mom's foot like always. And then here's Shakespeare. Pictures on the beginning. I have 3 dogs. Yeah. Okay. I just noticed that there's a koala hiding behind my mom. I now don't cover, but the video is going to end. Please like, favorite, and subscribe if you can. Visit my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. It shall really help me out. If you watch my video, please subscribe. Just please. I believe on some of my other videos in the description. Sorry, that's my dog again. In the description in one of my other videos to keep this channel going. This might be my last video, I don't know. But to keep this channel going, I need some more subscribers because I'm on 2. Just possibly to keep this channel going, I need 5. I need 5 subscribers or more to keep this channel going. Please. Please do. Thank you for watching. Please like, favorite, and subscribe. Okay, just figured out that there is more to this video. The end of this video. Hold on, let me ask my mom something. Oh, poop. Oh, please. Okay. Hold on, I just need to get my shoes on to go into my backyard. Oh, dirtiness. The screen, the video is going to be black, at least until I get outside. Gucci's coming. Max is outside. Okay, we are back. Now I just got Max and Gucci. Shakespeare never usually comes out, but he never goes poop, which is actually good. Oof. Say hi, Gucci. Oh, Max, see something. This video is going to be about 20 minutes. I don't know if it is, but it might be 10 minutes instead. This is going to be my live stream because I have never done a 10-minute video because it takes a long time to upload. So, we'll say it might even be 30 minutes. This is going to be my best live stream. My live stream right now is going to be 10 minutes. If it is 10 minutes or more, that it's definitely a good live stream for me. And some of my loyal subscribers, like mine, like the last, he has commented on one of my videos. He has even subscribed to me. So, I hope you could be like him. Subscribe. Okay, Gucci and Shakespeare Max are in the corner. Let's zoom in. Just gotta jump over the dirt because I can't step on the dirt. I cannot do any computer videos over that. Gucci, Max, do not like each other, and that's why they always fight. A loyal dog fight. I'm trying to keep the flap from not going. Okay, great, you're in the door now. If the screen goes black, I'm going to try to fix it. Oh, good. Sorry I missed you, Al. It's just that, see, my flap got stuck. Okay, might be even 7 minutes. I don't know, but this will be a live stream to me. Max stepping up. Okay, I'm just going to show you around my pack while I wait for Max and Gucci to have another fight. This is my grill generator. I have actually 2 generators. My house. The grass hasn't grown here yet because when we got our patio done, they ruined our grass and they broke our sidewalk over there. And yeah, they had to come put dirt down. Now the grass isn't growing very well. Here it's growing. Oh yeah, it's growing here. Here weeds are just growing. Hold on, I just gotta go to the bathroom. Just kidding. Okay, now they're having another fight. Well, okay. Just gotta catch up to the fast runners. Ooh. Oh my God. I'm being chased by the dogs now. Oh, good. Look at this, they're chasing me. Good, he stopped. This is going to conclude episode 6 or 7 of My Puppy. This will be a My Puppy live stream. All my live streams are going to be 10 minutes or lower. I will type live stream in the description or the title. A My Puppy live stream or something like that. Okay, let's go see what Gucci's up to. Hi, Max. Max, no. So I'm going to go get Gucci because he's chasing me. The screen just supposed to go back. That's only because I'm chasing Gucci. Okay, now, Mom. As you can see. Okay, great. I don't know what just happened to my dumb screen. Oh, whatever. I'd probably make videos every other day. Yesterday I made a video, and today I'm making a video. Not just trying the board. But anyway, my god, it's a big spider web. Oh god, I gotta get away from that. Oh. I'll just stand here. For me, it's sunny outside, and I can't really see my screen on my iPod. That's what I make my videos off of. This is gonna be my 40-second video. If you will, please will. If you do, please, I just need it. I just need 5 subscribers. And I will do a video for my birthday, which is November 30th. And, oh my god, that's a big week. I will. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I said that before. I'm going to make a real birthday special. That one's going to be more than 30 minutes. Oh, God. Sorry, I stopped talking. For my birthday, I am going to have a birthday special. For that one, I will probably... For the birthday special, if I get 5 subscribers, I get an iPad mini, and then I could do Minecraft videos. So if you could subscribe me, so you could watch some Minecraft videos from this channel, just get me 5 subscribers. That's all I need. Then my dad will get me an iPad mini. So please do it if you want to see any Minecraft videos from this channel. It will be off my iPod. I will be recording from my iPod. I'll post it off my whatever. Anyway, please. I'm sorry I had to go rain, but my iPod cover couldn't hold no more. So I just had a flap. Yeah. So please, thank you for watching. Please like, favorite, and subscribe. If you could do it, you might need to ask your parents. But if you can subscribe me and get me 5 subscribers or more, that will really help me out. So then you can get to see some Minecraft videos from this channel. Thank you for watching. Like the ceiling can hold us. Thank you. Yeah, I'm so dang grateful. Okay, I gotta end this video. I do not want to make it too long, that it takes so long to upload. It will end at 13 minutes. Now.